Welcome to the in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now, as you can see, I have to do the same wallpapers on the lock and home screen, and now we'll try to change the lock screen one. So here first we should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the home screen and lock screen section. The first section you'll see the wallpapers. Just tap here once, and now we can see that we can select our new device wallpaper from our device photos previously taken on our device camera, or for example downloaded from internet. Or also we have here just 6 the defaults. Just click once here on the wallpaper which you like, click allow, and after that we should click once here on the locks on this screen. Here we can see that that's home set on home screen. We should switch it to the lock screen. Click here to done on the right down corner. Here we have the message that this wallpaper applied successfully, and now you can see that we successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. And also we have the second way. Just hold for a while the screen, and here on the left down corner you'll see the wallpapers icon. Just click here once, and you'll just launch the same wallpaper section. Here you can use the photos from our gallery or just photos. Here click just always or just once, click allow, and as can you see, in my case unfortunately we have no any photos here or images, so we just can select one from this one by the same way. Set on lock screen, click here to done, apply it, and now you can see that's so simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.